Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to share a website that has over 370,000 monthly visitors, and they pay you through Bitcoin and through PayPal for watching videos, playing games, participating in surveys. Literally all you have to do is to either click or just don't do anything, watch videos and enjoy your time, or play games and have fun. The best of the best part, they pay you starting from the time you sign up. If that sounds interesting, please stay till the end of the video because I will share how you can make $200 per hour using this website and some other strategy that other YouTubers may not tell you. Why am I telling you? Because I will not lose any money if you make money. In fact, you will love to like this video, subscribe to our channel and watch more of our videos if we share helpful content for you. And that is why it's important to watch the full video to get the full information. So in a moment, I will share this website, how it works, how you can sign up, what are the problems, and an interesting way to make a lot more passive income, literally $200 per hour to $500 per hour. And I'm considering you are lazy like me and you will not work more than 2 hours per day. Maybe you don't even have time more than 2 hours per day, and that's totally okay. And as usual, we will be sharing our premium softwares 100% free for our viewers. All we ask you is to like this video, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button so you get notified when we will upload our next video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they also learn how to make money online. This way, they love you more. And because sharing is caring, they will love you for sharing this information. So let us begin. The website I'm talking about is gg2u.org. The landing page is pretty simple and pretty awesome, and every information you need, all the questions you might have are all answered in the frequently asked questions section. And that is what I always ask my viewers to go through at the beginning, because a lot of things that you may not know will be covered in the frequently asked questions section. Example, they pay you through PayPal or crypto, so you must have a PayPal account and a Coinbase account. In case, for any reason, your country doesn't support PayPal, you may use Coinbase. But for any reason, you can't use PayPal and you can't use Coinbase, then making money from this website will be a little harder. But again, you can get paid through e-gift cards, which is also great. But without reading the FAQ, you will never know this information. Again, there is another hidden gem inside this FAQ that I will share in a moment, so stay tuned till the end of the video. That will actually make the passive and massive income work. So let us begin from signing up. I'll put my name and my email address. I'll choose a username and I'll choose a password. I'll select my country and check this box. I have read and agree to the privacy policy and membership agreement. Whether you read it before or you read later, I highly recommend you read their privacy policy and membership agreement as well, because normally these websites hide a lot of information inside those pages. Click sign up for GG2U. We do the hard work for you so you don't have to. We do the studies for you so you don't have to. And we are even showing you step by step so you don't have to find out everything yourself. Saving time is saving money, and we are doing the money saving part for you. So please hit the like button, subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will also get notified when we will upload our next money making video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. In this way you prove that you care for them. They love you more, and all of you will get notified when we will upload our next video. This is the first page you will see, and signing up is really easy. So we are very high paying source for survey routers and offer wall offers, because we will usually give you 65% to 85% payout rates on them. By contrast, other sites pay you 40% to 60%, but they pay you 65% to 85%. And here is the interesting part. You can take advantage of our easy to do gaming offers and video offers that have some of the best payout rates in the industry we will credit you $1 USD for every 100 coins. Coins are the points that you earn by using this website. On the next page, you can log into your account and get started earning money from playing games, taking surveys, watching videos, and doing other easy things. Click to continue. Now I'm going to log in. Voila! You see, I have been credited $1. Super easy. And get $6 or more to reach $7. This is important for cashing out, which means you can cash out only when your balance reaches $7. Now we have lots of great offers and surveys for you. 100 coins equals $1. All these names you see are the companies that run the offers through this website. So if you click on this, you will be taken to the offers that belong to Offer Toro. These offers can be played using mobile apps, can be on desktop, and can be surveys. This one will earn you 929 coins. Click here. Because it is a mobile app, you have to scan this QR code with your phone and open the game and finish level 130 within 14 days. This is cool. You have 14 days to reach level 130 and you will earn 929 coins. A lot of times we carry our phones and we don't use it and we don't make any money. But with this website and this kind of offers, you can use your phone, have some fun, and make some money. But that's not all. You can actually run all these offers through your phone and make money. This one, eToro, is a cryptocurrency trading app. Click here, open this app, and you can earn 173 coins. There are a lot other, and all these games and offers you see are only from one website. Another one, AdGem. You can only use your Android, iPhone, or iPad to use these offers and make money. So let's click iPhone because I have iPhone and click Save Devices. Now I can do all this stuff, all these easy, funny, and interesting stuff to earn coins. Surveys are great ways to make money. Go to Dynata. You will reach here. All you have to do is to select, and then click this button. That's all you need to continue with a survey. And once you finish a survey, you will earn points and make money. Another great place is One Ads. Click here and you will end up here. Click I accept and you are right here. Now you can do daily surveys, it's just about just clicking and selecting and then click next and finish. You can run other surveys of other websites who are running through this website. There are easy and fun challenges that you can participate. You can just do the stuff related to mobile or mobile apps, or you can do others as well. And you can make money from watching videos. For every 200 videos points you earn, you will receive a silver token which will add $1 to $3 to your account balance. Wow! So up to just click a video channel below and earn video points for the ads that are shown. Make sure that you do not have any kind of ad blocker enabled in your web browser. So you can choose any of these channels. Let's check this Movie Buzz. Watch awesome hideout.tv movie buzz videos and earn for every video plus ad you watch. A hideout.tv account is required to redeem your points, but it's free. So click the +1 button and you will be taken to hideout.co. Use this sign up button to sign up to this website and use this login button to log into your account. Once you are in, start watching videos. Make sure you watch the full video. That's important to get the full points. Now here is another trick. While you are watching, click this gear button and watch the videos in the lowest resolution possible. Why? Because this way you will save some data if you are on mobile, and also your computer and your connection will be faster, so you can actually watch more videos at the same time. So if you watch 5 videos at the same time, then you will make 5 times more money. Good trick? If you like this trick, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will be notified when we will upload our next video. And don't forget to share our video with your friends and family and social media contacts so everybody learns how to make money online. If you want to watch more videos, click this little double arrow button and you'll be taken to more videos. Want to watch more videos? Click this button and you'll be taken to more videos. You're watching videos on YouTube anyway. Why not watch some of these videos and make money? Want to watch more videos or more different channels? You have all these offers. But one thing very important, make sure you read everything on this website because the instructions are important to actually make money. How much money can you make from this? Choice is yours. The more you use, more you make money. But here comes the most passive and most scalable income system online, referral. Why? Because by using this website, you will actually have to spend your time to make money. Whether it's surveys, watching videos, or playing games, you are doing it yourself and you are spending your time. If you want to make money on demand, then you have to put a lot of effort to make a lot of money. But with referral, you are not the one who is doing the work. You share your referral link with your friends and family, social media contacts, and when they will use this website, participate in surveys, watch videos, play games, and earn points, you will be the one making 5% of their earnings. That is completely passive and you are not doing anything. So in my opinion, this is a great website. They pay you $1 immediately when you sign up. They allow you to make money without technical skills, website, or experience. And they allow you to make passive income from referrals. Now, in case you're wondering, how can you make a lot more money from referrals? Pretty simple. Link in the description will give you my premium softwares 100% free, and these softwares will drive traffic from Pinterest, from Facebook, and from YouTube. Use these softwares. They are free, premium, but free for my viewers. Drive all your traffic, drive all your viewers, your social media followers, your friends and family to your referral link. They will love to make money while enjoying watching videos, playing games, surveys, and when they earn points, you will earn 5% of what they earn. And sky is the limit. There is absolutely no limit of what you can earn. Look at this, no limit. Did you like this video? Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts, as this way you will all get notified when we will upload our next money-making video, and of course that will come with our premium softwares free so you can make money online. Go ahead, do all these things, and we will see you in the next video.